These are Belle's puppies. They are not happy because Belle's outside and they want out. Hey, baby. Hey, babies. Oh no, we got one who's might be making it over. Are you gonna make it? Oh my goodness. And over here are Nellie's puppies. There's two over there playing. Hey pups. Hey babies. Yep. They're not making quite as much noise, but they will. Hi babies. Hi babies. Oh, we got a little dispute over here. Maybe not.